The Nike Air Max Dn8 delivers a fresh take on modern cushioning while pushing Nike design forward. Dressed in black with hyper crimson, laser orange, and dark copper accents, this pair stands out with a bold yet refined look. Its key highlight is the 8 visible air units placed across the full sole, designed to enhance stability, impact absorption, and ground feel. Bright red air pods sit above the rubber outsole, creating a strong visual and technical presence. The lightweight black mesh upper features flowing lines with a heat-inspired color gradient that adds depth and motion. Strategic cutouts reveal layered mesh underneath, giving the shoe a sculpted, three-dimensional feel. A reinforced toe adds durability for daily wear, while the glossy heel clip provides structure and contrast. Built with Nike Dynamic Air technology, the Air Max Dn8 reflects an anywhere, anytime approach to comfort, style, and everyday performance.